Hi everyone and thanks for joining! Today we will learn how to easily personalize an existing design by resizing it, adding some text and add a color insert. To start this project you will need to open your Cricut Design Space and create a new project in the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Image on the left side and look for a design you would like to work with. Right now it's Christmas time, so I'm looking for a gift card holder. When selected, click again on Image to close the tab. The first change you can make is resizing your design by either dragging in or out or typing the height and width in the top section. For this design, I'm choosing a height of 5 inches that fits standard size gift cards. As the lock is closed, the ratio height and width stay the same, so the width will automatically be recalculated when you change the height. If you want to change only the height, you will have to click on the lock to open it. My second step is to rotate the design upside down. You can either place the mouse on one of the corners of your design until you see the special arrow, then rotate it, or you can type 180 in the rotate section at the top. Now it's time to add text. Here I want to have to and from on the back of my gift card holder. Click on text on the left section and add the text of your choice. When you have your text, you can resize it by selecting it, click on font size and type the size you want. If you're like me and you didn't save your project yet, you will see Untitled Project with the little star, so you can click on Save, then name your project and save it or add it in a specific collection. Now you can see the name of your project on the top left of your screen without the asterisk. Coming back to our text, by default, Cricut Design Space will put your text in the font Cricut Sans. You can change it by clicking on the text, then Font at the top of your screen. A window will pop up with a list of fonts. If you have the window just in front of your design, like me, you can just click and drag it to the right. For this specific project, I want the text to be written by the Cricut machine using a pen. You can click on Filter and select whatever is the best for your project. For me, it's going to be the writing option. You can then filter by style. For example, here I'm selecting decorative and vintage, and I got 10 different fonts answering those criteria. If you already have a font in mind that you like, you can just type the name in the search bar. Here I'm going to go with Brown Sugar. If you don't find a font you like, you can check on Design Bundles or Creative Fabrica websites where you can download a lot of different ones. You can also watch my video link at the top or in the description to learn how to install a font in the Cricut Design Space. After changing the font, it's possible that the size of your text change slightly, so you can just readjust it. Next, I want my two texts to be aligned to the left. To do so, select both texts and click on Align, then Align Left. As you can see, there are a lot of different options to choose from regarding the alignment. Then you can adjust the position using the arrows on your keyboard. To have the text written on the design where we placed it, we are selecting the entire design with the text and clicking on Attach at the bottom right of your screen. Now, on the right of the screen, if you click on the arrow next to Attach, you can see both text and the design. If you want to change the color of the design, click in the details under Attach and click on the specific layer. You will see Basic Cut and a color squared under Operation, where you can then change the color. The last step is to add the color insert. Click on Shapes on the left of your screen and select the rectangle. Then adjust the size to your design. Here I just want the insert to cover the snowflakes cut, and I'm changing the color to blue. Here I want to have this layer in the background to see the effect with the snowflakes. To do so, right-click on your shape, then select Send Backwards. And we are done. Save it and click on Make. If you want to learn more about the making part and follow the different steps, check my video in the description. I hope you learned something new today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Like and subscribe for more. See you for the next one, and have a great day.